The Christmas Miracle. Once upon a time, there lived a girl called Sophia. Sophia baked gingerbread with her grandmother every Christmas. She decided that she baked all the gingerbreads alone this Christmas. Sophia jumped out from her bed excitedly in the morning and went down the stairs quietly. She didn't want to wake up her parents. She found her grandma's secret cookery book. She tried to prepare for the baking. She found the sugar on the shelf, the honey in the pantry, but she didn't find the flour anywhere. She thought that somebody walked behind her. She turned back, but she didn't see anybody. When she looked at the shelf again, she saw a sack of flour. She took the flour down from the shelf and went back to the kitchen counter and checked the recipe again. She found the eggs and the butter in the fridge. The seasons were the only missing ingredients. When she started to look for the ginger and the cinnamon in the drawer, she realized that they are next to the flour. She was surprised, but she kept on doing the cooking. She weighed out all the ingredients and mixed them. She made the shapes and put them into the oven. She wanted to decorate the gingerbreads with frostings as always, but she couldn't find them. As she was walking in the kitchen, she felt something under her feet. Surprisingly, she could see the frostings on the floor. How could it happen? But she didn't have any time for thinking about it, because the gingerbread figures baked. She took them out from the oven, and when they were cold, she started to decorate them. She drew eyes, mouth, and clothes on them. She was very happy when they were ready. When she was going to her parents', she heard a big dump. She went back to the kitchen and she couldn't believe her eyes. The gingerbreads were dancing, twirling, and singing. She was glaring at them without moving. When her parents came into the kitchen, all the gingerbreads were lying on the oven pan as they did it a few minutes ago. Sophia's parents saw that their daughter was unable to move and speak, so they asked her what happened. Sophia wanted to tell them, but she couldn't say a word. Sophia is an adult now, and she can remember this Christmas with love. She tells the story about the dancing gingerbreads to her children every year.